Ever dreamed of becoming a digital detective? Uncover the hidden pathway to battling cybervillains and unlock a realm where technology meets justice. Welcome to Digital Earnings Expert. Stick around till the end of this video, as aside from diving into the foundations of digital forensics, we have an additional nugget of knowledge that will elevate your understanding further. This is beyond the usual. Prepare to have your mind expanded. In a world where our digital footprints are as real as our physical ones, cybercrime has emerged as a serious threat. Digital forensics stands as our line of defense against these unseen criminals. Digital forensics, also known as cyber or computer forensics, delves into the digital realm to unearth, analyze, and report digital data, all while ensuring its integrity remains intact. It's a crucial element in unraveling the mysteries shrouded in the binary codes of cybercrimes, fraud, or corporate disputes. Forensic specialists are akin to digital detectives, trained to delve into computers or other digital gadgets, retrieving and scrutinizing data. From laptops and smartphones to gaming consoles, no digital stone is left unturned in their quest for digital truth. But what exactly is digital forensics? At its core, it's a blend of investigative skills and technological prowess. It's about peeling back the digital layers to expose the truth that lies beneath the streams of code, all while ensuring the evidence remains pristine for legal purposes. In digital forensics, every byte of data can be a clue leading to answers. Whether it's recovering deleted files, tracing network activities, or decoding encrypted messages, digital forensics unveils the digital fingerprints left behind by culprits. Now, the core of digital forensics revolves around the principle of data integrity. The evidence uncovered needs to be in its original form, untouched by any external factors, ensuring its admissibility in a court of law. The protocols in digital forensics are stringent, with a clear chain of custody from the moment the data is collected to its final presentation in court. This ensures that the evidence remains untainted and the process transparent. Now, you might wonder, how does one dive into this digital investigative arena? It begins with a thirst for understanding the digital underpinnings and a penchant for solving cyber mysteries. Your path might start with formal education, delving into the realms of computer science, cybersecurity, or forensic studies. Their expertise transcends mere data analysis. They unravel the enigma of cybercrimes, trace the origin of cyber attacks, and by understanding the modus operandi of cybervillains, they help in fortifying our digital realms against future onslaughts. Embarking on a journey into digital forensics can be immensely rewarding, yet it demands a diverse set of skills. A profound understanding of computer systems, a knack for solving cyber puzzles, and an analytical mindset form the trinity of essential skills for aspiring digital sleuths. But it doesn't end with formal education. The real essence of digital forensics lies in practical exposure. Engage in internships, seek mentorships from seasoned forensic experts, and immerse yourself in real-world projects. This hands-on experience is where theories take the form of actionable skills. Certifications are another stepping stone in your digital forensics journey. They are the testament of your expertise, the badges of honor in the digital forensics community. Certifications like Certified Cyber Forensics Professional or Certified Computer Examiner are not just accolades, but a demonstration of your commitment to mastering the craft. The realm of digital forensics is ever evolving. With each passing day, new technologies emerge, and along with them, new kinds of cyber threats. Continuous learning is not just about staying relevant. It's about staying ahead, being prepared for the new age digital challenges that lurk around the corner. Relating to our content? Make it a regular thing. Click subscribe, spread positivity with a like, and ring the bell for more relatable moments. Ready to reconnect? Let's dive back in. Setting up a personal lab can be a game changer. It's your playground to experiment, to make mistakes, and learn from them. It's where you can mimic real-world cyber scenarios, dissect them, learn the tools of the trade, and sharpen your forensic skills. Speaking of tools, the arsenal of digital forensics is rich with specialized software. From data recovery to network forensics, mastering these tools is akin to a knight knowing his sword. Spend time wielding these tools, understanding their nuances, and becoming proficient in using them to unearth digital evidence. But remember, the narrative of digital forensics isn't solely technical. It's also about eloquently narrating the digital story you've uncovered, often to an audience whose digital literacy is limited. Your words are the bridge between complex digital evidence and clear, understandable facts. Moreover, the legal compass is integral to navigating the complex waters of digital forensics. A solid grasp of laws pertaining to cybercrime, privacy, and data protection is crucial. You are often the custodian of sensitive data and the mediator between digital truths and legal realities. Your interaction with legal personnel, your ability to articulate findings in a court of law, and your understanding of legal protocols surrounding digital evidence are crucial. Digital forensics is at the crossroads of technology and law, and understanding both landscapes is imperative for success. Digital forensics isn't just a profession. It's a calling for those with an innate curiosity and a desire to unravel digital mysteries. It beckons those who aspire to make a tangible difference in the fight against cybercrime, to ensure justice in the digital realm. The first step into this domain might seem daunting, but with the right guidance, the pathway becomes clear. Surround yourself with a community of digital forensic enthusiasts, join forums, attend workshops, and never shy away from asking questions. Embarking on a career in digital forensics is akin to becoming a modern-day hero. Yes, it's demanding, requiring analytical prowess, patience, and often long hours delving into digital rabbit holes. Yet, the rewards are profound as you stand at the vanguard of combating cybercrime. The allure of solving real-world problems, of making the digital world a safer place, is an endeavor that's as rewarding as it is challenging. Each case unraveled, each criminal unmasked, and each piece of digital evidence deciphered is a step towards a safer digital realm. Your role as a digital forensic expert is a blend of a detective, a technologist, and a legal advisor. You're not just solving puzzles, you're contributing to a just and safer digital society. Your work could exonerate the innocent or ensure the guilty face justice. So, is the call of digital forensics beckoning you? Are you ready to dive into this digital odyssey? Arm yourself with knowledge, seek the practical arenas to refine your skills, pursue certifications, and stay abreast of the ever-evolving digital landscape. Your quest into digital forensics is bound to be exhilarating. With each case, you'll not only be solving digital puzzles, but also contributing to a just and safer digital world. The world of zeros and ones is vast and mysterious, and it awaits the keen eyes and analytical minds of digital forensic experts. The road ahead is long, intriguing, and filled with endless learning and discoveries. As you step into the world of digital forensics, remember, you're not just chasing digital shadows, but lighting the way towards a safer digital realm for all. Now, the moment you've been waiting for! Unfold the secrets of a free ebook, laying bare the ultimate online business strategy poised to skyrocket today! But brace yourself, there's an encore. On the heels of the ebook's insights, a captivating 15-day challenge unveils itself, expertly sculpted for your e-journey. Orchestrated by digital trailblazers, innovative teachings, and a cache of transformative tools, your blueprint to online triumph is etched. Ready to embrace this unparalleled shift? Leap with purpose! Harness the link in the description at once and etch your name in the e-pantheon. Sailing away from today's e-earning sea adventure. Navigated the method? Smooth sails or stormy seas? Cast your tales in the comments. Did today's financial voyage chart new territories for you? Hit like to set sail for more. Keen to embark on further treasure hunts? Subscribe and ring the bell, ensuring you're on deck for every expedition. Before you anchor spot that video on the horizon, it's a map to another isle of online riches. Set course, and let's discover more gold together until our next maritime journey.